Good morning, everyone. Today we are starting our third module, entrepreneurial motivation. There is a motive behind everything we do. That is, there are certain factors which make us do anything. For example, there is a motive behind choosing BCom Corporation for your higher studies. Like that, there is a motive or there is a influential factor which make us to select or which make us to do something anything in our life. Like that, in case of entrepreneurship, there is a motivational factor that influences the people to start a new venture and to become an entrepreneur. The term motivation is derived from the word motive, which means drive. So motivation is the drive to achieve a goal. Motivation is the drive to achieve a goal. Entrepreneurial motivation means the drive to go into business and become entrepreneur. That is, the entrepreneurial motivation means the drive to start a new venture and to become an entrepreneur. So first of all, we are going to discuss about different motivational factor which influence the individual to start a business and to become an entrepreneur. The first motivating factor is money. The ultimate aim of every business is to maximize profit. So, money is the most common motivational factor in case of entrepreneurship. Most people start a business because they want to make more money, they want to become rich, they want to become wealthy. So, they opt business or entrepreneurship for as a route for becoming rich. And the next motivational factor is other goals. That is, it includes all other goals rather than profit or money. That is, it may be, we already discussed in the previous classes, it may be the freedom, it may be the choice of freedom. In some cases, the individual may not like to work under others. So in that cases, they will opt entrepreneurship. Or it may the desire of control over one's life. It may be the quality of one's life. So all these other factors rather than money and profit also motivate the individual to start a business and to become an entrepreneur. And the next motivating factor is need for achievement. That is, some people have higher need of achievement. They want to do something big, they want to something challenging, they want to do something risky. So in these cases, the individual opt entrepreneurship. And the fourth one is ambition. Ambition is the level of ambition is the what we say, it is the liver of motive. That is, most of the people have ambitions and they want to achieve that ambition. So to achieve these personal goals and social goals, they may start new ventures. And next one is compulsion. Sometimes is people compelled to start enterprises. നമുക്ക് നമ്മുടെ കേസിൽ തന്നെ എടുക്കാം. അതായത് ചില കുട്ടികൾ BCom കോർപ്പറേഷൻ ഓപ്റ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടാവുക, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ BCom CA ഓപ്റ്റ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടാവുക. എന്താണ്, എന്തെങ്കിലും ഒരു മോട്ടീവ് ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കും, അവരുടെ എന്തെങ്കിലും എയിം സക്സസ് ആക്കാനോ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒരു ഗോൾ സക്സസ് ആക്കാനോ ആയിരിക്കും. ബട്ട് ചില കേസസിൽ വേറെ ഒരു സബ്ജക്റ്റും കിട്ടാതെ ആവുമ്പോൾ ചിലപ്പം ഓപ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുന്നതായിരിക്കാം. അപ്പോൾ അത്തരത്തിലൊരു കമ്പൾഷൻ കൊണ്ടും എന്ത് ചെയ്യാം, നമ്മൾ ചില കാര്യങ്ങൾ ഓപ്റ്റ് ചെയ്തെന്ന് വരാം. അതുപോലെ ഇൻ ദ കേസ് ഓഫ് ഓൺട്രപ്രണർഷിപ്പ്, കമ്പൾഷൻ ഓൾസോ ആക്ട് ആസ് എ മോട്ടിവേഷണൽ ഫാക്ടർ ടു സ്റ്റാർട്ട് എ ബിസിനസ്. Then the sixth one is motivation and support from the family. That is, in cases, എല്ലാ കേസസിലും നമുക്കറിയാം ഫാമിലി സപ്പോർട്ട് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് നമ്മുടെ ബാക്ക് ബോൺ ആണ്. when we are getting a good family and support from our family and also our peer groups and friends, it also acts as a motivational factors. Then next, success stories of entrepreneurs. Success stories of entrepreneurs also motivate a person to become an entrepreneur. That is, maybe the success stories of friends, relatives, or other reputed persons that may motivate people to start a business enterprise. The next one is capital. That is, the assistance provided by government and other financial institution shall motivate a person to start a business. That is, the easy availability of loans and the simplified procedures, low interest rate, etc. will initiate the entrepreneurial spirit among persons. The next one is status. Status means some people believe that running a business is very respectable profession, and it also have higher status and lifestyle in the society. So such people is motivated by the status being get from becoming an entrepreneur. Then economic independence, especially in the case of women entrepreneurs, they need economic independence, so they depend on entrepreneurship to become economic independent. So these are the general factors that motivate entrepreneurship. That is, first one, money, then other goals, need for achievement, ambition, compulsion, motivation and support from the family, success stories of entrepreneurs, capital, status, and economic independence. There are also other classifications or other mentions about entrepreneurial motivation. ഡിഫറെൻ്റ് ആൾക്കാർ, പല ആൾക്കാർ ഓൺട്രപ്രണർ മോട്ടിവേഷനെ പലതരത്തിൽ ക്ലാസിഫൈ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. നമുക്ക് ജസ്റ്റ് ഒന്ന് രണ്ട് ക്ലാസിഫിക്കേഷൻസ് നോക്കാം. അക്കോർഡിംഗ് ടു PN Mishra, he identified 9 motivational factors. PN Mishra ഐഡൻറ്റിഫൈ ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളത് 9 മോട്ടിവേഷണൽ ഫാക്ടേഴ്സ് ആണ്. According to PN Mishra, the motivational factors are educational background. When education, we have technical and managerial education, it acts as a motivational factor to start a new enterprise. And next one, occupational experience, then decide to work independently in manufacturing line, then decide to branch out to manufacturing, family background, government assistance from financial institutions, availability of technology or raw material, other factors such as demand of a particular product, utilization of excess money earned from contractual business, etc. And there is